Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at Aaron Viral Mailer. I'm doing a review of it, and I want to share it with the world. Now, this viral mailer is new to the market, okay? It's brand new, and a viral mailer is used to build a contact list, okay? And this is how it works. Now, this is a membership site, okay? People sign up to become members. And what they do is this, they exchange emails. They sign up with their email address and their contact information, and emails are sent to each member. Let's say, for instance, I want someone to join my contact list. I would send out an email, and then they will receive it, and then they will click it. They're gonna have a link there where they can click it to receive credits. And so they click for points or credits, and these credits are used to send out emails. Let's say you have 100 credits, so you can send out 100 emails. Okay, this is free to join. However, there is a upgraded version, but it is free to join. Okay. Now, at the time of this video, Aaron Viral Mailer is offering a special promotion. Now, this is a limited time. They're offering a promotion of 45,000 mailing credits to new members. You simply use this promo code, you use the promo code, and then you will receive 45,000 credits. Now, this particular video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Aaron Viral Mailer. So you come here and you click sign up, and then this is the sign up page. It says join our community. So this is where you will put your information, your name, your email address. You're going to confirm the email address to make sure it's correct. You're going to give yourself a username, a password. You need to confirm the password. Now here they do have a security code, so they want to make sure that you're human. Okay, so you would put the code that you see there, and then you will click these two things and then click submit. Now, once you have done that, an email that you're registered with, an email will be sent to your account, that you signed up with. And then they're going to have a link there. And so you're going to have to click it and confirm the information that is correct. And then once you have done that, you're then able to go ahead and sign up for Aaron Viral Mailer. Now, keep in mind, success leaves clues. Okay, success leaves clues. I'm believing that I will live to be at least 120, 130 years of age in good health. Okay, climbing up new mountains. I'm also believing that my family, my nieces, my nephews, my cousins, that they will no longer know lack, that they will live, walk, reign, and reside in abundance, that their name will be great in the land. We're believing for generational wealth here. This is one of the ways in which you can build generational wealth. So with that being said, this has been Uncle James. Have a great day, and we'll talk later.